Great, hi everyone! In today's video, C. With facial. It can be used to knit plaids, scarves, also caps. Please, this is how you can knit with squares. That means the drawing is performed on the number of loops multiple times. Very spectacular looks after rubber band, you see. Like this. That is, you can use a sweater too. Means every row of Shemke. Always read the scheme from right to left. First row, extreme loop remove. Next, knit picture report 1 wear. 1 front. Once again, 1 wear. 1 front. Further 6 wear loops times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 face loops times 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now 1 wear. 1 front, once again, 1 wear, 1 front. That is, you start again with 1 wear facial. Repeat them until the last loop. Work turn. We loops just knit by drawing. Knit 1 wear. Further facial. Wear facial. 6 wear times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 facial times to 3, 4. 5, 6. Further, wear facial. Wear facial. This is the second row. Repeat to the edge with a wear loop. Here is ready. Turn knitting. First loop shoot. Then wear facial. Once again, wear facial. Next 5 wear times 2. 3, 4, and 5. Now 5 face times to 3. 4. And 5 further wear facial. Wear. Front and wear. That's all starting with the front. Turn knitting. Extreme loop take off. Facial 5 wear times to 3. 4 and 5. 5 facial times to 3. For 5. Then wear facial. Front and wear. Repeat everything to the last loop. Here they tied the loops according to the drawing. 5th row front side. Knitting to facial. Then wear. Front 2 times wear. Front to 4 wear times to 3, 4. For facial times to 3. For further wear. Facial 2 times. Wear face 2. Now at the end to wear times 2. Repeat to the last loop and the edge of the wear loop. Here is ready to turn knitting. From the wrong side. Or loops by drawing. Second facial here are 2 facial. Since we have full symmetry. Then wear facial. Wear facial. For wear times 2. So 3, 4. For face times 2. 3, 4. So then wear facial. Twice wear facial. And at the end of 2 wear. Repeat to the last edge with a wear loop. It means next I will draw you 2 rows at once. If you knit in a circle, then you still repeat the same 2 rows without edges. I will show only 1 time. You still repeat well. To save time. First loop shoot. times to 3. Next one, wear. One front, once again, wear and face. 3 wear times 2. 3 facial. Times to 3. Then wear facial. Twice wear facial. It's 2 and 3 wear at the end times 2. Here I tied the 7th row. So next 9th and 10th rows. Knitting 4 facial. 4. Further, wear facial. Wear front to wear. To facial. So wear facial. Wear facial. And 4 wear times 2. 3 4. All this repeat to the end and the edge of the night loop. Tied the 9th row. So further 11th and 12th rows. 5 facial knit times 2. 3 4. 5 wear front. Wear facial. Wear facial. Wear facial. Once again, wear facial. 5 wear times to 3. For 5, repeat everything to the end edge wear loop. 12th row also, 13th and 14th rows. Knitting 6 facial times to 3 4. 5 6. Now wear facial 4 times. Wear face 2. Wear front 3. Wear facial. 4. And 6 wear times to 3 4. 5 and 6. 14th row still. Then we change everything symmetrically. We knit wear smooth and here it is the opposite. Means first loop shoot. Loop knit in reverse. There will be 6 wear times 2. 3 4. 5. 6. Then facial wear. 4 times facial wear 2. Front wear 3. And facial wear 4. And the other side 6 face times to 3 4. 5 and 6 repeat to the last edge with a wear loop. See, tied the loops in reverse. And the 16th row all 2. That is also each row we knit in one and the other side. Next is facial where 4 times is 2. 3. And 4. Then 6 facial to 3 4. 5 and 6 edge wear loop. Here is ready. So, next 17th and 18th rows. First loop shoot. 5 wear loops knit once. To 3. For 5. Next 1 front. 1 wear 5 times. Facial wear. To front wear 3. Front wear 4. And facial wear 5. On the other hand, 5 more face times 2. 3 4. 5 repeat to the end of the edge wear loop. And go back. First loop shoot. 3 4. Then 1 front. 1 wear twice. Facial wear. Next to facial. To wear. Knit again facial wear twice. And facial wear 2. And finish for facial. Repeat everything to the last circular wear loop. Here come back. 20th row also. So that's all we have now and how. Means next. First loop shoot like this. 3 next. Facial wear. Facial wear. 3 facial times to 3. 3 wear times to 3. Facial wear. Once again, facial wear and 3 facial times 2. Edge of the wrong loop and return the wrong side. Everything as well. 24th rows. Knit to wear. Then facial wear once. Facial wear 2. For facet timing times 2. 3, 4. For wear times 2. 3 and 4. Further facial wear once. Front wear 2 and 2 more front. Repeat until the last loop and the edge of the wear. On the other hand, knit also further 25th and 26th rows. First loop shoot. When wearable, face wearable. Facial wear. Next 5 face times 2. 3, 4 and 5. 5 wear times 2. 3, 4. 5 then facial wear. Facial wear. And facial repeat until the last loop. So go back to the 26th row. So 27th and 28th rows. Knitting 1 front. Turns out times to 3, 4. 5, 6. 6 wear times. To 3, 4. 5 and 6. Then facial wear. Facial wear. Repeat to the last and edge wear loop. 28th row, still like that. We have 28 rows tied. See further. Out here knitting with wear loops. And this is our first row, you see. The edge to remove began we wear facial. Wear facial. Further 6 wear. That is, all the loops are in reverse 3, 4. 5 and 6 then 6 facial. Times to 3, 4. 5 and 6 then again wear facial. Wear front to last and edge wear. See in reverse everything that is like the first row. Means thus repeating these rows. US and getting our geometry. Thank you all so much with US.